All right, y'all, we're frying up that bacon. Ooh, look at that. Love that crispy bacon. All right, y'all, here we go. We got that bacon grease, got that butter laid down, got them onions, pushing them over to the side right there for a minute. Now we're ready to hit it with them hamburgers. Look at that. Ooh-wee. We're making them mashed hamburgers today. Boom. Oh, yeah. Now we're going to hit it with a little bit of that Southern Boy seasoning now. There we go, there we go. Ooh, here we go with that cheese. Oh, yeah. Look at that cheese over them hamburgers like that. All right, y'all, we got those smashed hamburgers. Look at that. Looking good. Looking. I'm going to take smashed burger number 1. Got that bit of onions right there. Smashed burger number 2. Got that cheese right there on the top. Grab some of that bacon like that. Oh, yeah. Put that bacon across there. Like that. Get me another piece of that big old, look at that thick bacon, y'all. Ain't that looking so good? Now I'm going to take that one like that. Smash it down. That's right there is what we call just don't get no better than that.